Language.Foundation's Video Dictionary, helping you achieve understanding. Following our free educational materials, you learn English in a great way with efficiency.
Meaning of sneeze. A symptom consisting of the involuntary expulsion of air from the nose. Sneezing, sternutation. Exhale spasmodically, as when an irritant entered one's nose. Pepper makes me sneeze.
Become our student and get access to effective and free educational materials. Subscribe to our channel to become a part of our growing community and to learn English effectively.